to choose a degree that provides us with a better future. That said, you might prefer a degree which offers a lot of job opportunities and a high income. So, in this video, we are going to take a look at the in-demand courses in the United Kingdom. The first is economics. Every type of enterprise needs a professional economist who will maintain the financial stability of a company. So, if you get a degree in economics, there will be a lot of jobs available for you once you step out of the university. As per the income, the economists are one of the highest paid employees in the UK since their contribution is invaluable to any company. You can expect a salary around £40,000 per year with an economics degree. The second is computer science. As the age of information continues to expand, so does the need for data management, technical support, and cybersecurity. This has caused a surge in the need of computer science experts who will maintain and secure networks from virtual attacks. Nowadays, every business depends on computer to function productively, so there are a lot of jobs opportunity available. You can expect a salary of around £30,000 per year with this degree. The third is law. United Kingdom is home to world's top-notch law schools, and there is no doubt that it is a highly prestigious degree. Law graduates are also highly suitable for other jobs as well, which are not related to their field. It is estimated that a law graduate earns around £35,000 per year. The next is mathematics. Studying mathematics is challenging, but if you're a student who has chosen this field, then let me tell you, it is one of the most beneficial. There is high need of mathematicians due to short supply in the job market. The UK prides some of the best math schools, and employers all around the world are eager to hire their graduates. A math graduate earns around £40,000 per year. The next is engineering. The ability to construct, design, and manufacture a machine is an exciting feeling for sure. Engineering graduates are one of the most employable and highest paid at the same time. The most popular engineering fields include civil engineering, electrical engineering, and computer engineering. Their average salary runs around £33,000 per year. The next is medicine. UK is praised about world-class medical system and top-quality medical schools. Universities offer innovative courses where practice and theory are combined in a perfect educational approach. Among all disciplines, dentistry is the most in demand and the most rewarding. On average, a medical practitioner earns around £45,000 per year. Then comes architecture. The times when construction and design of objects were of minor importance are long gone. Today, investors aim for objects that are above optimal standards, are environment-friendly, and unique in their design. To tackle these modern needs, a professional architect is needed. On average, an architect earns around £30,000 per year. Last is education. The education sector in the UK is of major interest. The government is committed to constantly improve the quality of the education. An education graduate can start their career as a teacher, tutor, and much more things. On average, an individual holding an education degree can earn around £27,000 per year. So guys, now you know which are the in-demand courses in the UK, and if you gained some knowledge, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.